That's my wine. Hello there, my dudes.
Hi.
Lacey's here, but she doesn't want to be in the video. We're in the Bang Gang. I just grabbed your boob.
I felt that.
Little face, these kinds of things. So today, we're gonna make a microwave pizza. Where's my Faygo? So we have a pet turtle. Forget I had that.
Ted.
We're gonna change our YouTube channel name because we don't like it. So today we're gonna make microwave pizza. We're gonna start with the crust. Crust. This is your. I hit the ceiling. What are you doing?
Oh my god. Why do you have goldfish chocolate syrup and raisins?
Fixed our dough. Totally, we don't have tomato sauce. Sauce. We also don't have cheese. Yeah, we're not gonna get any of this delicious pizza.
What's that?
You should be. We don't have ham. Come and get your pizza. It has cheese and ham. I'm scared to microwave it. There's plenty for both of us. Get your butt in here before I stab a freaking knife up your butthole. No balls. Good. That was great. If I had to rate this on a scale of 1 to pizza, goodbye.